All right, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Good morning. Let's have a look across the market. We got some big Jasmy stuff to get into. Bitcoin's holding support very, very nicely. We're going to get into that as well. But first, let's have a look across the market. What's going on? Jasmy down 5.5 on the day, 9.7 on the week, up 63.5 on the month, and down 3.5 on the year. Down 2 spots in rank to 82 with a $780 million market cap, 24 million in volume. SwiftCoin down 2% on the day, 0.5% on the week, up 64.8 on the month, and 220 on the year. Up 5 spots in rank to 264, $140 million market cap, 2.07 million in volume. Yeah, that weekend low volume is really starting to kick in, as we can see. Volume is dropping off, but it's the weekend, so that's what we came to expect, right? What do we got here on Onyxcoin? XCN. Down 3.3% on the day, 15 on the week, up 94.5 on the month, and 741 on the year. Down 1 spot in rank to 106, a $567 million market cap, 24 million in volume. And Zebec. Geez, my camera's frozen again. It'll unfreeze when I switch screens. Up 28.1% on the day, 81.8 on the week, 89.5 on the month, and down 19.5 on the year. We're up 54 spots in rank to 266, $139 million market cap, 25 million in volume. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. We're going to look at the Zebec chart because it's pamping. Looking good. Zebec holding support. Wouldn't be surprised to see a bit of a bull pennant form here, guys. Very similar to what we saw with XCN. Don't be surprised if we ping pong here for, I don't know, maybe 5 to 7 days. A little bit of a ping pong and then work our way up from there, right? I wouldn't be surprised to see that over the weekend. So yeah, that's all good. Very similar to what happened with Onyxcoin's chart. You know, we had the first leg up. We've moved up around 100%. So, you know, building a little bull pennant here before moving up to the upside some more over the next couple of days wouldn't be a surprise to me. When Onyxcoin went on a 500% run, it took 26 days to make that run, right? Two or three times, it stopped for about a week or so to build a bull pennant before breaking up even further, right? So we could see something very similar with Zebec here, guys. Do not be surprised by that at all. And going over to look at the Bitcoin chart, what do we have over here? All right, so Bitcoin came down to 96.1. We seem to be holding that $96,000 level, though, right? Right in this golden pocket here, we seem to have bounced almost right off of it, but we're holding above 96, so that's good. There's buying pressure right about here, so that's good, guys. We need to, again, we're building what seems like a little bit of a bull pennant here, just like we built down here, as you can see, right? So another one. So we'll see what happens. My target out of here, as you guys know, if you've been at the channel for a while, my target here over the next, I don't know, week and a half, 2 weeks, we're going to end up here between $102,000 and $104,000. But we got to get through this resistance level here at 97 to 98K. And then there's going to be more right here at $100,000. A big psychological level, right, guys? So, and someone made a comment that I say guys too much. Guess what, guys? Too bad. Okay, I say guys, deal with it, right? What else do we have here? JasmyCoin. All right, so Jasmy at a bullish crossroads with price target set at 27 cents 85. Jasmy breaks long-term resistance with a 398% rally as analysts eye the 27 cent 85 target, fueled by bullish structure and volume strength. So Jasmy has surged over 398% following a confirmed breakout from its long-term descending resistance trend line. Currently, price action reflects strength, and analysts now anticipate a climb towards 27 cents 85, marking a potential gain exceeding 1,530%. Breakout retest confirms structural shift towards bullish bias. This section focuses on the technical validation behind the breakout and the projected trajectory based on the support structure. Analysts assess the price behavior surrounding key reversal points and use historical trend data for confluence. The resulting setup presents a strong case for macro trend continuation if the structure holds. Javin Marks, a well-known analyst, provided a detailed technical analysis of Jasmy's current position following its recent breakout. Studying the price trajectory post-breakout, he identifies a clear 398% rise as confirmation of structural reversal. With prices now retesting the prior resistance as support, Marks emphasized this zone as pivotal for trend validation. Reviewing the latest candle activity, he notes strong bullish follow-through without major rejection from previous resistance areas. The weekly price action shows multiple green candles forming above the breakout zone, indicating buyer control. This move reinforces the bullish outlook and positions Jasmy for the next upcoming expansion phase. Taking it into account, the broader chart formation, he identifies a target of 27 cents 85 based on previous macro resistance. This target reflects a full recovery to a former supply zone and implies a gain of over 1,530%. Marks concludes that maintaining a price above this trend line unlocks bullish continuation towards the projected resistance level. This section, the broader market views align with recovery structure. This section adds secondary analysis from a separate macro perspective to enhance the technical outlook with a new structure detail. By focusing on historical zones, patterns, setups, and breakout confirmations, analysts validate key support levels and upward targets. The price pattern continues to reflect strength in critical areas of accumulation. Solberg Invest evaluated the macro chart and confirmed a 70% return since its original entry into the position, citing a green support box between 2.05 and 1 cent 5. He highlights this zone as a foundational base. He identifies a visible double bottom structure forming inside that range, creating a launch pad for higher price action. The recovery wave now stretches towards 5 cents 984, coinciding with a prior rejection zone from late 2023. If confirmed, this double bottom breakout would mark a structural reversal on the weekly time frame. The neckline break in this final step required before the next bullish extension can begin. Weekly candles show expanding bodies with similar upper wicks, reflecting clear momentum building from institutional buyers. That consistent pressure near support reinforces the bullish case and suggests ongoing accumulation. Solberg's chart aligns with Mark's breakout thesis, supporting a long-term move towards macro resistance levels. So what do you guys think? Is 27 cents 85 in the medium term for Onyxcoin for Jasmy, and is the next breakout 5 cents 98, whatever it was, 5 cents 9, right? Is that the next breakout level for Jasmy? Let me know what you guys think. And listen, if you're new to crypto, guys, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people, a massive community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help you get out of this market cycle with your profits intact. After all, that's why you're here in the first place, right? When you cut it through all the BS, that's why you're here. Life-changing wealth. Come and join our community, guys. We're there to help you. We're live every single day on the Patreon. We drop educational content, tutorials, and all kinds of other things. You're going to learn something new every day to become a better trader and a better investor in this space. We drop microcap gem videos so you can get in early on projects like Miria and Zebec and Cookie and Onyxcoin and Pith and Peak and so many others. So come aboard for that. And you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, absolutely for free as a Patreon member. If you need a more personalized touch, if you need privacy, if you need to sit down one-on-one to understand things more intensely, you have more specific questions, absolutely book a one-on-one, guys. They don't cost you anything as a Patreon member. So use the free tools at your disposal, guys. Become a better trader and investor. Since the beginning of this year, we have helped 30 people over on our Patreon hit 7-figure portfolios, and many, many more have hit high 6 figures, okay? So come aboard. We want to keep this streak alive, guys. Join the community. The chats are buzzing 24/7. Yeah, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Use our link down below. Get the biometric wallet or the card wallet, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. Keep your crypto safe. Use our link. Get a fantastic deal. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.